Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Custom Decor by Nim. Please subscribe to my channel and press the thumbs up button if you like this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create wooden blocks. You can use this as an accent accessory for your baby shower or put it in the nursery. Use the hashtag #CreativeCrazies on Instagram for your creation. Items you will need to make this project are wooden blocks, paintbrush, glue, foil sheets. I'm using Cricut Design Space and white acrylic paint. I'm listing all these items below with the link so it's easier for you to purchase. First thing we're going to do is simply paint the blocks. I'm not using any water, just the paint. And pro tip, paint all the sides except the bottom side and let it dry for 15 minutes. Once dry, you can paint the bottom side of it. You can also speed up the process by using a hair dryer so it can dry faster. You can also use spray paint if you like to speed up the process. Now we are going to repaint the remaining blocks. After 30 minutes you will see this is how they look like. The goal is to cover them completely. So here I did 3 coats of acrylic paint. As I said, you can use spray paint if you want to do this faster. Now you can see that everything is completely covered. It's still drying, so in the meanwhile we are going to look up the images. I went on my computer and searched for the website called thefont.com and searched for the font Old Block. In this project I simply typed the alphabets, took the picture and uploaded on the design space to do it faster, but you can also download the font on your computer and upload it to your design space and search the font and type in the alphabets you're looking for. I also look up images. So the first thing I did is look up for the square image. I simply googled it and this is the image I liked, so I just clicked on it and downloaded on my iPad. So I use my Cricut on my iPad mostly because it's easier. I uploaded the image on Design Space and clean it up, and this is what it looks like. So now you have to adjust the image according to your cube, and I'm just testing it out using a scrap cardstock, so which I had on hand. So I'm just testing it out. So now you can see that the square fit perfectly on my cube, and this is what I want. So now I'm going to simply duplicate the image and just want to make sure that it fits on the foil sheet. So I just need to make sure I'm just cutting it out what fits on my sheets. When we are cutting it out, just make sure your setting is on vinyl. If not, then it will not cut well. The other thing, you want to make sure that you are using light grip mat. I did not have it while I was filming it, and you can see me later on when I use this mat. It was kind of a struggle to take these out, but you want to make sure that you're using light grip mat. And now you can see that I'm taking it out using a scraper and just simply lifting it up and removing it. You can also see that it's not coming out perfectly, mainly because of the type of mat I was using. So I'm just simply just removing it of what is cut. The next thing I'm going to do is basically all the images I want to put on my cube. I uploaded them, clean it up, and then now I'm going to size them. You want to make sure that you're sizing them perfectly. It's not too big, not too small, just it fits perfect. So I'm using my square size as an example to make sure that it looks nice. I'm just now going to duplicate all my images and alphabets, and then I'm going to cut them out. Once cut, you can see that I'm just simply going to remove like I did with my squares. The other thing which I thought of later on was that you can also weld these images together, so you're not doing it in longer process like I did, but you can do it faster. So all you have to do is put the cube and the image, and you can click on the option weld, and it basically cut out as a single picture, and then you can paste it on your cube. Now I'm just simply pasting it using the glue pen, but you can also use double-sided craft tape. And you can see why I'm saying that is because some sides it sticked well with the pen which I was using, but sometimes it wasn't sticking well, so that's why I suggested use a craft tape as well. Once everything is pasted on the letters and the images, and you can see the final look, this is how it looks like once everything is stuck together. Just make sure that you're taping it well, gluing it well, and it's the right size. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends, as this is a new channel, so obviously I need all the love I can get. Share it with your friends. If somebody's having a baby shower, this is going to be a great centerpiece, as that is what I'm going to use in an upcoming event. This is a great project, and obviously once you have made it, you can reuse it over and over. It can also be done in different colors as well. Whatever the theme is, you can always use it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment.